children to your science class. I hope you remember in our previous class we started chapter 4, Animals Around Us. We had discussed about wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Today we will discuss about milch animals, birds and insects. Milch animals. What are milch animals? Animals that give us milk are called milch animals. Children, you all drink milk every day, isn't it? Milk keeps our teeth and bones strong. So you should drink milk every day. Now, can you name some milch animals? Cow, buffalo. Children, you know goat and camel are also called milch animals. Now let's discuss about birds. You all have seen different types of birds, isn't it? Have you noticed how many legs birds have? Yes, 2. Birds have 2 legs. They also have wings and feathers. Wings help birds to fly. See, this is the picture of wings. And these are the feathers of different birds. See the colorful feathers. Now, can you name some birds? Yes. Parrot, crow, eagle, peacock and etc. Do you know which is the largest living bird? Yes, see, ostrich is the picture of an ostrich which is the largest living bird. Now we will discuss about insects. What are insects? Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. Like domestic, wild and pet animals have 4 legs. Birds have how many legs? 2. But insects have 6 legs. Some insects also have wings which help them to fly. Can you name some insects? Yes. Butterfly, cockroach, honeybee, mosquito and etc. So children, after watching this video, you will read the lesson from your textbook. If you don't have the book, don't worry. Along this video, I'll also send you the text of this lesson. So thank you.